saying his argument is to talk louder than you. That's all his argument is, man. You don't understand that, Jesus wasn't shit, bro. I'm a Christian and I believe in Jesus, bro, but the Holy Crusaders went around and killed people because they didn't believe in Jesus. That's how the church was made.
They thought he was just some crazy Jew.
Exactly, yeah.
I believe, bro, I'm blacker
Catholic,
than
so.
you.
It don't matter, that don't have to do with race, man. It don't got to do with nothing with race, man.
It all boils, okay. So you think Abraham Lincoln freed niggas because he wanted to? Why he freed niggas? He still got killed.
It was all politics.
He still got killed for it.
He did too.
He got killed for it. It's business. It's never about.
What did I just say? Politics, nigga. Politics is business. That's the same thing.
You like that one, huh?
That's too.
You like that one,
Why they're all crooked.
They popped the shit out of Abe for fucking up millions, man. He fucked up millions.
He did. You're right.
Slaves?
You're right.
Now listen, I'm black. And I got over 100,000. I like slaves.
You like slaves.
He crazy. Who the fuck don't like slaves?
I don't like slaves.
He crazy.
I don't like slaves.
Now listen.
This guy's a comedian.
Now hold on.
He need to be on the television.
Now,
He wants some Asian slaves.
He wants some goddamn European slaves.
No, because you want to be black. You lighter than me.
I want to be black now. I want to be black now. I'm a nigga
You
now.
lighter than me.
It don't matter.
You lighter than me.
Who tells
But
you
this
that
is the
I
truth.
want to be black
This
though?
is the truth. People don't like the truth. This is the reason why I say I like slaves.
I listen to the truth.
This is why I say I like slaves.
It's like you listen to the guy who talked louder.
Thank you! Who the fuck don't want that?
He's speaking up.
Who don't want that? Who the fuck don't want $1 turned into 2 for nothing? Who don't want that? If you can give me $1 and I give you 2 back, would you not take it?
Yeah, I probably would.
That's a Republican. That's all I'm saying. And you can have your phone and my phone.
I keep my $1.
So I'm gonna get my money. 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 But I'm a black Republican. Nice to meet you. But if you ain't never met a black Republican, you have. Don't never think listen, what's the difference between black and white?
Nothing.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What is it?
Gray.
Gray?
Gray.
Gray?
Gray. Gray is the difference between black and white. Guess what happened in the gray area?
That's way over my head, baby. I ain't hearing you.
He's so young.
So young.
He's so young.
21 years and running.
When you finally catch a gang, you'll be 40 broke. You better wake up, man.
I'm up.
Listen.
I'm up. I hear you.